Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Valorant and you keep getting this error, WAN 9003, this version of Vanguard requires UEFI Secure Boot to be enabled in order to play, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Valorant easily. So to fix this error, you're going to have to go into your BIOS. So you can go into your BIOS by opening up your start menu. You're going to right here settings and then you're going to go into system, scroll down, go into recovery, click on to restart now on advanced startup, and then it's going to restart you. Now you're going to follow the on-screen instructions to go into your BIOS, or you can just restart your computer and press your dedicated BIOS key on your keyboard to open up your BIOS. Once you're in your BIOS, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up the advanced mode here, and now what you're going to do is you're going to go into boot here, and then you're going to disable CSM support. Once you're done disabling CSM support, now you're going to go down into Secure Boot then. Once you're in Secure Boot, now you're just going to make sure to enable it. And once you're done enabling Secure Boot, now you're going to go into save and exit and restart your computer while saving your changes. And after you've done enabling Secure Boot, now when you try to play Valorant, you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.